Today, let's talk about a classic that should never be missing from our plate: rice. This versatile food is not only the foundation of many delicious meals, but also comes with a range of benefits for our health. First and foremost, rice is a source of quick energy, ideal for those seeking an instant boost. Whether before a workout or to tackle a busy afternoon, rice is the perfect partner to ensure you're always at your best. Additionally, rice is a digestive health ally. With its gentle fiber, it helps keep our digestive system running smoothly, avoiding those uncomfortable moments of bloating. Another positive aspect is the presence of essential vitamins and minerals, such as manganese and selenium, which contribute to the proper functioning of our body. Maintaining these nutrients in balance is crucial for a healthy and vibrant life. And let's not forget that rice is a great option for those looking for weight control. Its ability to satisfy hunger helps prevent overeating, making it a valuable ally for those aiming to maintain a balanced diet. In summary, rice goes far beyond being just a side dish. It's a source of energy, support for digestion, a box of essential nutrients, and an ally in weight control. So, the next time you're savoring a plate of rice, remember that you're not just enjoying a delicious meal but also investing in your health and well-being.